All right, so today I'm working on replacing valve springs. This motor got over-revved and broke some valve springs. So this is a valve spring compressor that is great to use if you have the head off the car. But we're trying to save some time and be more efficient and do it in the car. So here's another type that you can use. And this just compresses the springs while the head is installed in the car. But this won't work with this style because they're actually triple valve springs. So I was having a little bit of a tough time. Luckily, our in-house fabricator could make me this tool that, again, leaving the head on the car, on the engine, you can just set it over where the rocker arm bolts to, get the nut on there, and then use it like a lever and just compress the valve spring like that, get the keepers out, and change valve springs out real quick.